Hello everybody, my name is Ryan, and welcome to a game called Learn How to Fly Idle. And this is a game where you have to shoot, you have to press space or any button to shoot the snowman or whatever object you're shooting through a snowbank, and you get money from that every time you kill it, and you could upgrade your bullets to just keep going on and on and on. And yeah, that's pretty much all that you have to say about it. So I'm just gonna keep shooting the snowbank. This snowman, and I can't even reach this one yet. Oh wait, maybe I can. Yes, I can. No, I'm gonna upgrade my max shots. Come on! Why can't I reach it anymore? I killed it. Yes! Upgrade this? Oh, I could upgrade it a lot. Oh, there we go. Okay. And shoot this a bunch. What's next? Ice boulder? Ooh. I cannot reach that. Oh my god, I can't even get close. I need to upgrade my launching power. Wait. I'm just gonna stick with the snowman for now. Then, now I'm gonna start the snowbank. Can I reach this? No! No, I can't. Alright. Ooh, auto fire. Let's see how much it autos. 1. Wow. 1 every, like, 3 seconds. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you about research. And you get research points, and you could upgrade your stuff with them. So I'm going to upgrade this, and again. And now, look. Now, wait. Look, well, this one makes your bullets look different and stronger. This one makes them go faster, obviously. This one makes the object closer. This makes the upgrades less money, and this makes you have faster research points. So I'm gonna get this. Now let's see if I could reach this. Yes, I can. Max shots. Why not? Alright. Now I could shoot 3 in a row. Go. Clicking as fast as I can, even though it does nothing. El Sombrero! Mexican snowman. Alright, I'm just gonna kill this snowbank to death. Kill it to death, because that makes sense. I'm gonna be able to hit El Sombrero. Oh, what? I can't. No. Stupid. Right, at least I could hit this now. Perfectly. I'm gonna get speed again. There we go. What the heck? There we go. Now it's super fast. I'm gonna get more base damage and auto fire and more. Alright, now I'm killing this a bunch. 27, 28, 29, 30 kills with it. El Sombrero, I still can't reach you, man. Can't reach you. I'll keep trying, though. I'll keep trying. Nope. No, I can't. I can't, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't reach you. I need to kill you, but I can't. I need better launching power. Yes! Yes! Time to kill you. Oh, I'm hitting your hat. What's a frozen dodo? Look at his face. Really? Look at that face. Just that wow. He froze in a great position while he was running. Someone just froze him. Yep, that's what happened. True story. Yeah. Max shots! Yes! Auto fire! Yes! Base damage! Yes! Now, kill everyone. That hurts. 50 research points. What? Well, what? What did I get? I got play for 5 minutes. I got destroy the snowbank. That was a tough one. 25 objects, 100. That hurts 1. Upgrade your damage 20 times. Upgrade your damage. Okay. Trigger happy. Fire a total of 100 shots. Means to end. Save a total of 1,000. Upgrade your auto fire once. And yeah. What did I get though? I'm confused. I'm very confused. I don't care. No! I need to kill that frozen dodo. I'm going over it, really? Yes, now I could hit it. Wait, now I'm gonna... Yes! What's next? Wow, how exciting. An ice block. Maybe the frozen dodo came out of the ice block, and then he was running, and then he got frozen again. I don't know what I'm talking about. But now, I'm gonna kill this guy so much that I got 825 dollars every time I kill him. That's so good. Auto fire! I'm gonna, what is my max? 4,000? 4,000? 9,000? Are you kidding me? How close am I to this? Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close. That's how much. Wow, this is so fun. So fun right now. I'm gonna save my game. Yeah, so I can do a part 2 of this. What else? Yeah, max shots, totally. Let's do it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Alright. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to end this video here. And I will be doing a part 2 of this game. Because it seems pretty fun. Probably doesn't look fun to watch. But you're still going to watch it. You're going to watch it. Alright, bye. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment and subscribe to my related channels and stuff. Yeah. Bye.